Baby girl, always remember the secret to life is looking good all the time. Because good looks will catch you a good man. There are many success and rewards in life. One way is to work for it. The next way is to take it. And yes, if you take it, Joanna, you have to look your best.
So, mommy,
Yes, Joanna, baby.
what a sense to go to school and have like education? What's the sense of that?
Education is okay, you know, but it can only carry you so far. Look at me.
Yeah.
In order to live a healthy life without no needs and no want, you have to be a commodity, Joanna, of the highest value that will attract the wealthiest of men, Joanna. So if it's a bicycle, you will get treated as such.
Right. I don't want to be a bicycle.
So make sure when them look for you, them know say you're the highest value. And you want nothing at all but the highest maintenance.
Yeah.
Looks over everything, my daughter.
Like a Benz and a Beamer. What tell you what's I go, mommy? Why, mommy? My friend a good man. We can take care of me just like how daddy take care of you.
Baby girl, stop praying for a man and take somebody man and pray say God forgive you.
This is it. Hard times arise. Joanna's revenge, shaking the sky. Sweet victory in her grasp at last. The future's hers, no more looking back. No apologies, no more debates. Joanna's done waiting, cutting through the face. The night is hers, the stars align. Her sweet revenge, oh, it's her time. Lessons learned from wounds that scar. Joanna's power blooms like a shooting star. She takes the throne, no longer a pawn. This is it, revenge forever drawn. This is it, her time to rise. Joanna's revenge, shaking the sky. Sweet victory in her grasp at last. The future's hers, no more looking back.
It's all in the walk, girl. It's all in the walk.
You know thing, my eyes for you for a very long time, and something tells me that this time is right.
Go easy, Fatty. You know you're not my type. Everybody's in them own lane. You know them with it?
Don't you want a toy girl that will do anything for you? Anything?
Hello, break this up. Break this up. Social distance, 6 feet away.
Excuse me.
Do you think that this is a dating site? Huh?
Excuse me, sir. I'm late for class.
It is time to go home. Now leave this compound before you get belly here to take home to your mother. Go home.
Yes, sir. I'm late for home.
Hello, Mr. John Bull, sir. AKA John Bull. Now your name keeps coming up on my list of many wrong things that get done in this institution. But even the bad apple can eventually sprout good seed. Look, I have a personal interest in your academic development. From my investigation, last term you did not attend much classes. Now you will meet me in my office for a time card and you will give it to each of your teacher and ensure that they signed it before you leave the class, or else expulsion won't be your only consequence. You will find yourself residing in a government institution. You hear me, sir?
Yes.
Go to the office.
Yes.
I said move. What is wrong with this younger generation?
I say Fatty, I try to punch John, but I want to pray.
You say 41 desperately coming in camp.
Alright.
Who tell us if you stay in her lane? She fat enough, but she not hot enough. She not hot enough.
I want a Fatty. Well, a real hot boy. So him at him can roast anything. I see him turn a good girl body. Let me see if him can roast Fatty now. I don't think this. Me up here, but I want to see that. Yeah, girl. Any day, anytime.
Well, come to think of it, it's a good challenge that. Alright. When you play son of it, you're going to call up Bull right now, and you're going to arrange it.
Boy, this is a good festive.
You're going to call him up right now.
Call him right now. Ready for the one, yeah.
Yeah. I want you to go to the whole of the money.
Yeah, so you feel.
Bull are going to trick it, not it,
Hold on.
and then drop it. What you mean?
Wait, hold on.
What you mean? Joanna, remember your plan, you know? You have to go roll with the floor if you want to trick Fatty.
Alright. Slam, bam. Thank you, madam. Later, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, so I'll probably
Good girl, Kimmy.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, your hair nice. You're so beautiful. Oh, nice sound. You're welcome. Tinky-licious. Right, girl. You girl, so I want you to come and hang out with us. Alright? No. Hello. Hey. Watch out. Go with them, man. You really are going with them? Yeah, when you're going to go to the bad mind. We don't want people to subscribe. So we don't want people. Wait up. Come here, Kimmy girl. Girls. Tikiana girl, come on. Seriously, Kimmy? Kimmy?
Oh yeah, Joanna, Joanna. Wind up your body, make me feel that bumper. Joanna, tell you hotter than a sauna. On the dance floor, everybody you follow. Can you make the heart pop?
The board here. We don't contribute nothing.
Joanna, wind up your body, make me feel that bumper. Joanna, tell you hotter than a sauna. I saw everybody you follow. Can you make the heart pop?
Joanna in the rhythm, she a wind up song. Girl a mash up the place, make the vibes them go. Inna the dance, she a queen. That everybody know. Hands up in the air, let the good times flow. Wanna bring the fire, then the hot like sun. The way you move your waist, you make the party fun. Everybody move your
money from my body.
Mom, I'm going shopping with my friends.
Make sure you use protection.
Mom, I'm just 16.
I was 16 when I had you. Alright. Just have fun and be careful. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, I love you, man.
Girl, you look alright. We are up non-stop. Joanna on the top, make the world place drop. From night until morning, we never stop. Joanna, can you make your heart pop? Drop it low, make the crowd them cheer. Joanna running things, she the boss out here. Girl, you give me fever, make me sweat, oh dear. Joanna, girl, me love you, make me got and cheer. Girl, I mash up the place, let the vibes them go. Inna the dance, she a queen that everybody know. Hands up in the air, let the good times flow. Joanna, bring the fire, girl, you want that sun. The way you move your waist, make the party fun.
Yeah, waterfall.
Come. You look good though. Give it a 360. Right, yeah. Floor. Let's say outside, you know. Here we are, too. Go on in this.
Girl, you hotter than a sauna. Run the dance floor, everybody a follow.
Hi guys! I'm so excited to be here. Hanging out with you guys.
I feel nice to be here.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm so happy because it's my first time.
Come this way. Sorry.
You good? So Timmy, you come out after. You know it's actually a little funny. You know somebody.
Don't mind me.
Okay, here we are. And then the dog will talk. Come out after. You know, not many people. You know that you can shape it out. This is one of those things. Thirsty.
Yeah.
Thirsty.
Oh, but give me turn. Oh, yes, the birds. Do the honors. Bless us all.
No. It's a celebration. Celebrate. Shit moves. Shit.
What is that?
Just take some pictures and talk to you.
Right. You're doing it, right?
We're not trying to spoil the vibes.
I'm not spoiling any vibes, John Bull.
This is your idea. So fun.
No, you're being excessive. You just don't know. I am chill. Whatever.
I'm not chill. Give me not chill. No, man. You're probably just thirsty. You know when you're not drinking, I get like.
Give someone.
Give me a sure you're alright.
Oh man, she alright, she good. You need this kind of crowded. Come, let's get some fresh air. Hey, shh. Yeah. Never know. So exciting.
You forgot more side.
Very mature for your age, you know.
Of course, mature. I'm gonna be more mature.
How are you?
Tomorrow is my birthday.
Your birthday. You don't deserve a little birthday party.
Whatever I want for.
I guess so, your time. Your time for shine. Oh, Charlie. Come. Here we go. I have a whole party for you tomorrow. You see what me I say? Do me a favor then. So tell Jamie, you know what me I say? Tell Dougie.
Everybody
Spread the word.
spread the word, man.
Just celebration, you know, that we're here tomorrow.
Party? Okay.
So, get set up at the what the location in there again? Oh, yes, the Springs. Yes, get set up there, and then we can have the DJ and everything. So you're supposed to be a DJ, though. Right. And then yes, we can have the party at the Springs, right? Yeah, and we can have our customer DJ. We get the cakes. We get the people and we hype up the party. I want the food and the liquor and the limousine. We can get the limousine. Yes, anyway, let's say the limousine. Your birthday. Yes, so we'll just get the party started at like probably around 9ish. Yeah. Like that. But
Where are you? No man, you know me I say. When if I share our party and me I try, think off to be epic.
Epic. Yeah.
Don't you agree?
Yeah, well, agree, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I totally agree.
You know me I try to say to you, see what me I say. So I want to set up kind of don't come. Off to be epic, you see what me I try to say to you. Off to see a kind of awareness or celebration. We must celebrate.
Joanna. Why nobody make me feel that woman?
Birthday that once in a lifetime.
Joanna, than a sauna. Run the dance.
Don't worry, man. Sure. Come and we'll enjoy ourselves. Camille.
Why aren't they here yet?
Debbie, don't worry, man. You see, sometimes things just don't work out how we planned. Alright? Don't worry.
I tried so hard. I really tried. I tried so much to please them. Be sexy, tough, prettier. But it was not enough to please them.
Honey, listen to me. Don't you ever change for anyone, alright? Things just don't work out sometimes. I want it to, but that don't mean you're less of a person. You hear? because you're very much loved. I love you.
I just want him to like me.
Honey, let them stay. Let them a miss out. Yeah? Because them have a prize and them never know. You are very much funny, you're pretty, and you're a very kind person. They are the one missing out.
But mommy, I tried.
It's okay, Kimmy. They don't deserve to be your friend. Hold your candles, darling. Hold it.
Boss, nah, no stomach, you know. Shove enough for the boat away. Every time you move, I earthquake, you know. Every time you move. What do you do with that? Catch a style. Walk up. Deal with it. Yeah. Speaking of the devil and she shall appear. Let's see, man. Let me get you, man.
John, why?
Can I say, John, boy. Wagon.
What's so wrong? Oh, it's so funny.
You should have seen her.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, well, I'm going to call her. Phone. Man them. Name them. Alright, my father.
How was it there, honey? Kimmy? What happened?
Mommy, I need to talk to you about something.
Yeah, sure. What is it?
It's about John. He broke up with me today. He left me and shared me.
Kimmy, I warn you about that boy now. I warn you about him. Hey, watch me and John. Watch me. Kimmy, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Kimmy. I know how much I did like you. That brute. Hey. Nobody never texted for my daughter. You hear me I tell you? Nobody.
I think everything did not go out good. But he just left me so.
Honey, these things happen. You hear me I tell you? These things happen. And I know sometimes it can be really, really hard. But don't worry yourself. You hear me I tell you?
I don't understand why this happened to me. Mommy, what would do wrong?
Honey, it's not about what you do wrong. Sometimes relationships just don't work out. But his decision don't define your own. You hear me? Alright? We will get through this together. And it is alright to take as much time to heal. You understand, honey? We got this, alright? Don't worry. And you will never have to find out. We are in this together. Alright?
I can't believe you don't talk to me, the cousin. Just sing the
No
song.
type of party invited last on the meal. Why did you come to a party?
You little girl. I mean, you big, humongous, nasty, corruption, boss. Show me with your body. You noticed from the other day, since you think you take my man, you get hype. You think you are the thing.
When it's a man who wants to stop
I don't know, say enough. Look at it, enough. You me at now. But one, you think you have somebody?
Joanna, please. Why would you try to crash you up our person? Everybody know who it is. Are you run this? We can't only dream of being with. I mean, like you. Everybody knows that me name Ticklisos. And we don't love continue rolling with you.
You can't roll with we. First of all, we don't wear them type of shoes there.
Joanna, remember we join the Tikiana again. And the still one full 100. It's up to me.
How do you call yourself? Ticklisos. What you crazy? Yes, sick drunk person on the squad now.
See, we know where he is.
And look at you! But you want take my man behind my back. Slutty-licious. And have the nerve for one time, my girl. Crazy. Mad at this. Trying to have the whole school thinking that you are associated with us real people. Are you a member of the Tikiana gang?
Joanna, please. You deserve to find time to hold the space of the world like everybody else.
You see yourself, murder. You need a whole world for yourself. You don't see no space left to fit your woman.
Awesome.
Boy, this need crowd. Serve you right.
Stay where you belong. Dirt better serve on the ground where it come from.
That's right.
Like I say, you know the dirt where you come from. And the dirt you belong below. Oh, you want? Come on for the girl, man. You don't go on like nobody on better than people. You don't go on from somebody leave the little girl alone. All the while you not take care of
Since you
people.
have more.
Don't worry about that. Leave people alone.
Seem like a stick. Come on, let me help you. Everything will be alright.
I'm sorry. I'm not laughing at you. I didn't mean for you to feel bad. It's just that
You don't need to ever apologize to me, Gina. You're the nicest person I ever met. And I mean to say real.
no, we're not man like anybody else.
You geeky and you don't care. You never try to impress nobody.
I'm not good at pretending, as you may have heard in Principal Rike's acting class. How are you, kid? It's alright. You're in a rush to reach somewhere you don't belong. Eventually, you'll figure out that it is the journey that matters, not the destination.
Sorry, Gina. We did believe that we did the right thing. But all we do is turn my back on Maria for a minute.
Kimmy, don't. It's okay. You don't need to apologize.
I'm sorry, Gina. I hope my real friend them don't hate me after home we got along with the sin.
One bad, we can find deep in their heart. Goodbye!
You sure saying that hate me?
Maybe maybe. We're just joking, girl. Yo,
Well, I love you. Love you, Trina. I love all of you. That's it.
This is it. Hard times arise. Joanna's revenge, shaking the sky. Sweet victory in a grasp at last. The future's hers, no more looking back.
Live it.
Babe, we can't just have some time for ourselves. Why am I follow we? Like me, I go do you something. I'm gonna have on.
Woman, I make the thing look no way, you know. You know the things are, this is a flick crime boss, alright.
Active boss, you want me search her? Cause enough young girl I walk down the road in a them, you know.
Hey, don't touch me now. Me spit pie, you know. Don't touch me. I see something I talk to you about, you know.
Yo, is it alright, mama?
Mama? How we call Mama? Me look like your mother? This is ridiculous.
It was easy, mama.
The fact I'm pregnant.
What? Wait, you sure?
What do you mean?
What you talking about? What you for? It's a setup.
It's a Jackie Chia try to drop on your big boss. It's a setup.
Set up.
You sure, man?
Then I offer.
Jesus Christ. How am I get myself, you know? Drop out of school and find work. Joanna! I never know you would do this to me. Enough for me.
Look at you. So if me not breed for true, I say that, babe? And you have big waist.
I just trying to catch me by surprise, man. My ton fool, you know. Sorry, man. No, I just look with it. I try. Lift up now, man.
Joanna, baby. You're my heartbeat.
Oh, you have jokes. Bad boy.
Certainly good times flow. Wanna bring the fire, then you all like sun. The way you move your waist, you make the party fun. Everybody want to know who that number one. Joanna on the scene, the dance just begun. Joanna, Joanna, Joanna. Wind up your body, make me feel that bomba.
God damn it!
Joanna, Joanna, girl, you're hotter than a sauna. Run the dance floor, everybody you follow.
Smart, you let us say our sister.
No, and this year, this me.
Really, babe? It seems like you're not understanding or you're not here right. You look like your mama.
Fight, you want to fight me? Don't take it.
Try it now. Try it now.
Deal with that. Deal with that. Hey, mad girl. Yo, what for this many girl them gang up on me suffer?
Boy, boss, you need to know what to do. Don't worry yourself, man. Hold on, your boss. Hold on.
Oh, you can help me.
Boss, I'm not a girl, you know. Jaja.
Yo, Joanna. I'm mad girl.
How you call mad girl?
You're mad girl. You need psychiatric evaluation.
Your mama needs psychological evaluation.
What for mama you talk about? Hey girl, Joanna, must kill you in here.
You have to kill me first. And me too. Big idiot, boy. Now what is going to
Yo, how you do, brother? Go easy, man.
And the girl them have to beat that. What you say? Alright, beautiful.
I'm okay. Thanks for caring. You not get it, don't? Just like that for me, man.
Alright. People are look. Make it nice. Yo, lift up before you get chewed.
You will never get it. I'm tired of this. It done. Let's try a real man. Someone that values and appreciates me. Come here. You got to be a new man now. You just earn yourself the hottest girl of Freakers Academy.
This is it, hard times arise. Joanna's revenge, shaking the sky. Sweet victory in a grasp that lasts.
Oh, what is?
No one looking
Joanna!
back.
Joanna! I still me, you know. What? Joanna! Joanna! Yo! Still me, remember that! Remember!
What you big man I try?
Don't move on the book!
I was here this morning. Look at that! Stop! We can spend time for some money. What is that? Or we can buy some shoes. Oh my God! And do your ear. Buy bag. No, come back earlier. No! I'm not come walk in front of me like say. Don't do that again, man. Not in a full class and a little wow. The parents, if you know better, what the sound poor. What happened to you?
I just want to go home.
Kimmy, what happened? What happened? You take people when I get beat up. What you just said?
I never meet a Joanna and her friend them.
What she there?
Watch me and her.
Tell you make your heart pop.
Kimmy, what happened?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tell you make your heart pop.
Fish the on the curb, the money off.
Said that.
Joanna, you know, see no other man. Joanna, is it enough?
Yeah!
Look up here. Where you let me pick me for?
I lick her already and I can lick her again. Oh, it's my friend, I am lick your toe. I want.
Lick oh!
Now you. I want this.
Hey, what?
I want this. No, man, she come. Come now.
Hey, easy a bit. Hey. Please, hold on.
Let go. You don't see little girl now, no manners. You think little girl can't come? Wall your ear. I saw when them talk, take man, then go on.
Big man, well I know, but still learn if you fight to have a look at me.
Oh, you would have feel if I didn't fear it. Eh? What you would have? Eh? Little girl threaten you to beat you. I should beat up your daughter. Eh? What you would have do?
Jail for the minor. Yeah, best thing in the reporter at school.
Yeah. Never. I true you talking. I best thing we go down to the school and go report it. Watch me and her.
Look a girl, I'm respect for her, you know. That feel like you shouldn't have behaved so.
I'm respect for who? That the old class is there? Must be mad.
thing for a while now, my boss. More time the bull have a certain urge, you see me? A full time for me grab a one for myself now, you see me? Need to own a little pup to follow me around, take care of my biddings and satisfy my callings, you see me?
Tolo, you're one of the most seriousest captain in my camp. We are bulls and we not on the limit. We are bull one, a bull get. Raging bull!
Raging bull!
Raging bull!
Raging bull!
Any bitch you choose, off a serve. Or it's a one-way ticket to heaven. Or if she lucky, she go hospital for nurse and stitches, eh?
Yeah, man, for real.
Ah!
Dog, I'm not steal some bully. I'm straight like arrow. No woman to my throat. A speedboat ends me a feet. Yo, shut in the yap when you think a cartoon network this. Me a woman, sour. But remember, the whole of we a bull. And no boy can run up there and look for me in this. That would have been deep violation.
Easy bully. All of we are family, them never mean no harm. They just catch you by surprise, you know?
I know you don't like him still in my boss. But since you are my general,
Yeah, listen.
no.
And many gender, the bitches them coming up. If I feel and you want it, I'm not stop you from having it. But you better keep a dog on a short leash. Because I'm not tolerate no slip up or disrespect. Where you say, Beast?
Yo, right now, I'm not steal no beef. But right now, totally out class, my friend. If the man did a look a bad girl, I agree. But then I see the man girl, we agree, say the boss, you be she man yam. Can't come close to her and no girl competition. Even upon her worst day.
Bully, we're not on a limit, you know. Anything Tolo want?
Tolo get, man. Tolo, the bet start. Make sure your pocket tall. All odds are against you.
Me, I invest in her, my friend. Mad bull, get that.
Think about it, baby. Tomorrow I'm gonna be at the start. Think about
How are you going here, sir? Oi, how are you going here, sir? Are you going to come find her? Are you going to come find her? Wait a second, let me tell you something, my girl. Hey, youth, you're going to say I'm a new man, my youth. Why you want to for my youth? Let me tell you something, my girl. Run away from yourself. Brother, is it the easy way or the hard way now? I say either the easy way or the hard way. You hear that? Either the easy way or the hard way. Run away. Run away from yourself, man. You say youth. Either the easy way or the hard way, man. I stab you up out here, you know.
There's nobody feel like feeling.
Let's say what? Never want you. We can do this the easy way or the hard way.
Where are they? Yo.
The easy way or the hard way. The easy way or the hard way.
No, you have to go kill me, you know.
That means you kill me, I go kill you out here then. And make John Bullen come burn you down around here, man. Yeah.
Win, man. I know it's no win, man. No work number, man.
What my brand new man say? 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 Bully, what my brand new man say?
The easy way! The easy way! Easy way! Easy way! Easy way! Easy way! What was that? Easy!
You give me a bag. Take the bag and give me a move looking faster. You come like some big old slug. That expensive. The other day. Come on, man. Look where you go, man.
The other day, what happened? I couldn't do nothing. Easy, you know, let me explain. What you know? Me I try call her the whole weekend and can't get it. What happened?
Like for me, I don't play with me, man. If you got some things, go. When if you stand up for me, I could run away together. You choose to save your own skin, Damien.
But babes,
babes, your mama, not deal with me, brother.
Joanna, babes, easy now, let me explain.
I told her, baby, that. Babes, you not see me?
Well, go on.
Just hug and kiss me up, because right now, I be blood in my eye.
Come, Don't bother with that. Cool no man.
No, sir. What kind of dopey shoe I keep you, sir? Come, my friend, you alright?
Yes, I'm good. I'm actually really
I
good.
know what happened, Goody. You alright? You really alright?
I'm alright. I'm really alright.
I can't believe the dirty germs. You walk everywhere and I tell everybody what go down. Me I call you non-stop over the weekend and all the phone I says on another call. Seems like you really a big out the team, Goody.
Girl, just in case you have forgotten, this is Joanna. I am Queen Bee. I've got this stuff. I thought you knew me. That's not my style. You know, see I'm look. But never big girl. Not even a bed. My lifestyle is all about upgrading. Schoolboys are so last season. In real life, it's not playground badness. My man a real gangster. And anything you ask my man for do, no questions asked.
Hey, girl. Come here. Leave the trash. Win. Yo, ma make me talk in my blood. With everything in a Joanna, you can't do trust man, you know. Man, we say anything to get between your legs. And after them get what them want, use and abuse.
I know that. That's why I'm my back girl. I know you love me bad.
Joanna, tell you hotter than a sauna. Run the dance floor, everybody you follow.
So babe,
Well, go on.
what kind of food you like?
No, strictly greens do
You like chicken,
no, seafood.
steak, fish,
Greens.
fish. Oh, you like seafood?
You know, some here pass the one here, she sweet boss. She talk about how she wants sweet boss and she wants seafood. Girl, you lie. Choo-choo and sweet boss agree. They don't so studied nasty. They say seafood eating and go.
Bubbles, now mix up for gear, girl. My middle name that one. You wanna tell us oh, speed boss eat our seafood?
Really? No, sir.
Never expect that from him still.
Never expect that neither, man. I know what's going on.
Say, loser for him. See him there, can't ask him. May I take with myself here?
Left me. People ever left me, you know. I just like hear a little thing, you know, and I can't believe it, you know.
Yeah.
Bless them just the righteous one. She tell me say, Joanna say, Tola say, yeah, eat seafood.
You mad? I will tell her really I tried it to my life. You know, me no run them joke there, you know. No catty when me deal with never. I will tell her them.
I just said to me, say, I wonder, I said, I couldn't believe it. Come here, say, you.
Tell her want me damage her an idea. Anyway, an idea, my buck her, man. Yo, tell her. Watch her now. I'm moving everything. When me I hear say I go on family, when me I hear say I call up my name family. Virgin, you know say. Virgin, no style, I try style, man.
Yeah, style, brother.
Virgin, when me I hear say I tell people and I carry my name, but say yo man.
What me say? What me do?
Yo, Bubble say, Blossom say, Joanna say, you say, brother. Brother, watch out now. Me no eat flesh, you know, brother. So watch out now. Me no mix my name and them thing there, you know, you. Because me get dark in a school, you know.
Brother, after me don't know what you talk about, charge. Me don't know what you talk about, Steve boss.
So where all of this a come from? Is a setup.
So why if you name it?
Virgin, you know, say yeah. Yo, as a gangster, brother, girl, violate me, no brother. You want to hear a girl that what you try? Violate you. Yo. Big guy up. More solar now. See where you have to run.
Hello? What is going on? Young man, let her go, man.
Sir.
Listen to me, man.
Sir,
Stop. I said to stop it. Stop. I said, let her go to hell, sir. Go inside. Go inside, man. I don't know what the heck is wrong with you.
Yo.
Go away from the door. And you stand there, man. What is going on in this institution? You think you ought to run this place? Go to my office. No! Go to my office. I don't know what is wrong with you. And you stay in there and cool down yourself. I will come back to you in a minute. Nobody will open this door.
Hard times arise, Joanna's revenge, shaking the sky. Sweet victory in a grasp at last. The future's hers, no more looking back.
Today, and everybody else assignment next week. It's very unfair. Tiny whiny. A big friend style. Mwah. Why are you so upset?
Yes. I'm too tall for them. Plus, you never pay.
I sound like Kenna Stein. Thanks. You know I'm going to pay you. Anyways. We'll pay you later though. But you know me here. Oh yes sir. I'm Joanna Johnson. Come on, dog. Oh, we need money now. Want me see ya? Come on, Einstein. The pencil. You know you'll get your money. So later, no?
You know you're not pay your dues. You're mash up like I'm mash up the guy.
But Joanna only took $4,000, but she don't have the money right now. But Joanna, you have more time, man, more time. Stop, please,
It's just a few hours ago. I gave you a second chance. And you are now bullying another of my students. I will not accept bullying in this institution. I have said it before. Now you will be going home and you will not return until I see your parents. You hear me? And you will be leaving with her. Now leave! I said leave! Come on, man, walk up, man. Get out of here. I don't know where the likes of you come from. Leave this institution and don't you dare return without your parents.
Okay, you can go ahead now, Joanna.
Okay, this is my essay on economy and the welfare of Jamaica and its impact on Jamaica.
Miss Johnson, Joanna, let me say how proud I am of you, alright? I see you're doing good, man. That talk really hit somewhere. Continue. Good job, Miss Johnson.
So, what is economy? Economy is this, according to the Oxford Dictionary, economy is the state of a country or a region in terms of the production and consumption of goods and services and the supply of money. Right? And Jamaica
No, hold on. No, just hold on a minute, Joanna. Hold on a minute. Those exact words sounds like the same essay that Einstein wrote last term. No.
No, Miss Edith, my essay.
No, something is wrong, Joanna. I've heard it all before. Trust me, plagiarism is not accepted at this institution. Note, those are the same exact words copied from Einstein's essay he wrote last term. You have 2 days to present me with an essay that you wrote. Yes, or else you're gonna be failed and have to resit. Understand?
Why double cross the presentation? You need another source. No, girl. Listen to what I'm saying. Oi! Hey, fat girl! Hey, nasty girl, Kimmy! Are you me I talk to? Come here! As ridiculous as it sounds, maybe. John Bull send your pictures to my phone, showing you little dirty deeds.
Delete it, or else I'm not able to do your homework.
Yes, you will.
You want bet?
Your fate is entirely in your hand. If you play ball, do the essays and a little homework, the pictures them stay with me. If you finish them, however, voila. We make you delete it yourself. But define me. Are you looking fun? And a screensaver for all of them look a honey boy in the school. Oh, and there are worse places than these pictures. Yeah, and
But that's blackmail. No, girl, it's white.
Kimmy. You know why your problem? You feel too much courage. Avoid all of this, you know. If you just don't want.
But it's still blackmail.
Me not care. My dear Kimmy, get back to me by the end of the year. Fat girl. John will send your pictures to my phone. Showing you little dirty deeds.
Leave me to the car if you want to drop this one.
Alright, bye, Mom.
I love you, darling. Joanna,
It's my
don't pay him no mind. The point is working smart, not hard. Use your looks, forget what you want. Man will pay dearly for what you have. The point is to stay up on top of the food chain.
yeah.
Even if I have to step on everybody forget where you want.
Yes, mommy. I'm gonna step on everybody till we get to the top of the food chain.
That is how it works, Joanna.
Yeah!
Cheer up, man. Sure. Don't make them look at demons that get you down. You hear me, I tell you? Don't make them get you down. Life goes on. You have your whole life ahead of you. You're going to get new friends and a new boyfriend. Don't worry yourself, man. Sure. Hurry up. You're late.
Thanks for the encouragement, Mommy.
No problem, my love.
But Joanna.
Alright. You're late. Alright? When you come in, we'll talk about it. Come on.
I have something to tell you. We do something wrong.
Kimmy, man, don't worry about it. Mommy still love you, alright? Alright, come on. Come. You're late. You're late, man, you're late. Mommy, your bag here. Later we talk about it. Come on. Put on your bag. Come, Kimmy. Here, your glasses.
Mommy,
Later, honey, mommy love you, alright? Later. Bye, baby.
Mommy.
Kimmy, you're late, man, you're late. Later we talk, here.
Morning, sir.
Morning, kid. Students, I don't need to put away the phone, them man. That's if phone at all in the mind are rubbish. Alright, so today we're going to focus on the Haitian Revolution and the connection to the Maroon War in Jamaica.
Sir, I said best to come from the Maroon, them are the real OG.
I thought they know everything.
Sir, the Maroons were real Jamaican heroes that fought against the British and the colonialism, wherein the British had no choice than to sign a peace treaty.
The I ever take a look on the peace treaty is a 15-point handbook on how to catch a slave and return them to the plantation. So if you ask me, them are some glorified KKK.
I will not debate with you on this, Mr. Bruce, in front of the students. Now, please stick to the curriculum and continue your class.
Alright, ma'am. But if you ask me, the only good Maroon is none of the Maroon. The rest of them are sell out. Anyway, students, we're going to look into one specific Maroon. Boatman and his role in the Haitian Revolution.
Sir, I know Haiti defeat the French, but what does Jamaica have to do with it?
Boatman was a slave from Senegal who was sent to Jamaica. Yeah, man, he was a part of the Maroon and he went to Haiti and did a successful revolution against the French. This was the beginning of the Haitian Revolution.
Excuse me, sir. Can I have a minute outside, please? Thank you.
Bumbo! Yo! Yo, what?
Joanna, what is it like this?
Send it.
And I fed up with this bullying business. You know, I'm putting a phone in there.
I don't think that's this rules.
If you get all that phone. I'm tired of this foolishness you do on the phone. Like a boy, don't play with me, man. All that phone. Them can show some form of responsibility for their action. But now, no phone forget. The tired of the cyberbullying with them.
What's going on inside here? Hello! Quiet! What is happening inside?
Show us on our phone, sir, and can't bite back.
Oh, Jesus. Mr. Bruce, are you crazy?
So they won't buy me another phone.
You must have to bite back.
Right.
Sir, this is
Into my office.
you need to learn.
Into my office, sir.
I can't say the Babylon.
No, Mr. Bruce. Get out the book and get the work done. Mr. Bruce, how dare you? How dare you throw water on the student's cell phone, eh?
Sir, but you don't see students them misuse them phone. They might use it for bully the girl.
You saw them bully girl?
You don't see
It is no excuse to damage the phone.
There's no need for this.
Miss Johnson, you see nothing, man. Mr. Bruce, what image
Sir,
you
right
saw?
now you're too materialistic.
Mr.
And that's a push on for the kids them.
What do you mean? I put girl image on phone? I am pushing on things on kids?
But wrong is wrong at the end of the day.
Listen.
Kimmy's death has impacted us all as a school, but it has also impacted us as individuals. It's okay, you can say your piece.
Never know say could I get to this, like I didn't know say someone would that say something earlier. Never know there's somebody with that dead. You know I'm God dear. Like even with me some of the time when I talk to her I said, oh you can't do them something, you can't do them something, you do that. It's like she want to turn on me, like just have me never have no other choice, but we never know say that for this, we never know say that would have happened.
You know, good girl and she have potential, you never did expect that from her, you know. And bullying is the next thing again, you know what I mean? You see me? When you pick on the next person, it can lead up to anything.
It doesn't make sense. It don't make sense. Kim!
Miss Kim is a wicked little girl. Miss, she could have gone work on herself, eh? And then come to school to depress us. Huh? I have learning to do. Why she come here and do that and depress the whole school? Miss Alan never do that. Me and myself, she come and never.
this terrible incident, the guidance counselors are there for those of you that are in need of counseling. On another note, the person or persons responsible for this heinous act is going to be expelled without any form of remorse. The incident is going to be investigated. And since Mr. Bruce has destroyed all the phones, we are relying on the evidence from you. Now, anyone here knowing any information, please come forward. Okay. So since no one is coming forward, everyone here from that class is suspended until further notice.
John Bull do it in the phone.
What? Who said that?
It's true, sir. Him share friend a few years ago. What? Yeah.
Officer!
Here, we have brag about it too.
Officer! Where is John Bull?
Sir, see earlier on there, sir. What's the cut?
Officer, hold on to that one. He is his friend.
Look how the man show him boy body. Like a you, man.
Nice, man. Tap it nice. Tap it nice,
We have had dialogue with the police and other reputable firms to find a way to apply criminal charges to little crimes like these, or to crimes like these that you think are little. Your age will not aid you in escaping judgment. This is a great incident, and we won't have it repeated. He and John Bull will face all the consequences, because I will not have it repeated. Now you all go to your class.
Wait, sir. I know who did it. I know the truth.
What?
John Bull may have taken the pictures, but Joanna was the one who posted it.
I'm true, she always get the fat girl.
I feel sick to my stomach every time I think about it. I have proof. What?
Officer?
Here, officer.
What?
When I get sir, I shut him up. I said she set me up, sir. I said she set me up, sir. Sir, hear me now. I said she set me up, sir. Sir, no.
Come with the point, please. You have a right to remain silent.
Anything you say or do will be held against you in a court of law.
You can't do this to me. You can't do this to me. You don't know who my father is. Eh? You don't know who my father is. No, I'm so afraid. You can't do this to me. It's me. It's Joanna. I am better than him. I am better. No. You can't do this to me. Joanna, just
Do that. I will not have this in this institution. We are making a stand. Bullying will not be accepted in this institution.
Don't worry, Joanna. I promise you, you'll be able to do CXC in prison.
Joanna, you reap what you sow, Joanna. Get her out of here.
Do this to me, sir. No, man, do this to me,
Big baller, shot caller, fuck drama. Living larger than life, me go hard for. Me no beg no tea for cup of water. A boss lifestyle, no, me no take orders. Because people are my sharpener, them keep me sharper. Some are real life smarter. I'm cool, real life smarter. With it not the darkness, real night crawler. Better know for beds deep like arbor. Careful that the friends with your arbor. Like that stick, every man want a draw and the partner.
You alright?
Yes, Mom, I'm okay.
Daughter, don't worry. None of this is your fault. None of this is your fault, my daughter.
Takisha, stop the foolishness. What do you mean none of this is your fault? It's all our fault. I can't believe this is the second time I had to come and get you at the station. What is your problem, Joanna? What if the principal didn't call me in time? You want to tell me what the hell happened?
Why never ask him? Since he called, why never ask him?
Joanna, somebody died today.
So what does that have to do with me? And a Joanna killer. Exactly.
Joanna, I was on the phone all day with the chief of police, the dean of discipline. You know how serious this is? I'm going to have a hard time fixing this, Joanna.
First of all, Daddy, I don't know why you're shouting down the place. Secondly, she tied the rope and she killed herself. I'm not contribute to nothing. Look here, I am no precious time to be wasting on that disgusting, slabbering thing.
A girl from your school was bullied and coerced into taking her own life. And you're here with no formal remorse.
Me no business about nobody. If she not value her life, Daddy, and just want that shit way, you know make she go and do it? She can't talk to me about that. She have to talk to God. And right now, she's on her way.
You're here showing not 1 ounce of decency or remorse. And I was told by some good sources that you are the main cause of our demise. And I believe them.
Daddy. Me, Daddy? Me? You hear yourself? What a girl working alive. Ah, when she dead? No, man. Me tie her neck? Eh? But put you on her neck? Did you hear what you said? She was forced. Did anybody say me push her? Me, Joanna Johnson, push her? Come on, Daddy, man.
If you had pushed her or tied her neck, Joanna, you wouldn't be here right now. Joanna, you contributed to her. Joanna, I'm trying to explain to you what you have done, and you're here playing with your phone.
Daddy, what you want me to do? You want to beat me over somebody where you don't even know? But God! You said them said, give me the paper on me again. And you, Daddy, you follow people and I bully your own daughter. Your own daughter, Daddy. You put people over me again, Daddy, again. Again, Daddy.
What? I will discipline you for a lifetime, for a life that was taken for your actions.
I never take nobody's life. I never take nobody's life. Top 10 life, mommy. And she can't manage tough love.
Tough love?
Yeah, tough love. She's not the first person to get bullied. Nor the last. No matter what we do, or what people say can make me, Joanna Johnson, take her life.
But Joanna, why did you have to bully her? Why you couldn't just encourage her?
My business? She's not my friend. She not business about me, and me not business about she. See, I'm so Joanna.
Why on earth would you take her nude picture and send it all over social media?
Jesus Christ! You tell me that? It came from my phone.
Yes.
Them have proof of that? Them have proof of that, Daddy. Say me! It come from my phone, Joanna Johnson's phone. People wicked as a man. I never tell, looking at my phone, Daddy. I never tell for me, see here.
I don't need to see the phone. Joanna, you mean to tell me that you have never seen the picture?
You see it? Alright, Daddy. I see the picture on my friend's phone, but I did not leak it. Nor did I send it to social media. I have nothing to do with that.
I swear.
I swear to God, Daddy, I had nothing to do with that.
Joanna, the small amount of privilege that you get to experience every day will severely be cut. You need to cultivate some feelings of remorse. No, go to your room immediately.
What do you want me to do, Daddy? Boss is dead? Alright. Alright then. Oh God! No, God, no! Not Kimmy, God, not Kimmy! Bring Dr. Kimon with her! Just bring Dr. Kimon, take Kimon alone, God! Bring back Kimmy, God!
Joanna, go to your... Keisha, you know.
I want to do.
You're not a good influence for my daughter, you know.
So you read my fam.
Read them, tell us something. Only for time and only for chance.
It's the community for grow child. You want me alone grow, Joanna?
I am
Why
here.
you there? Why you
don't
there?
have morals.
Morals!
Morals, you don't have none.
So how you live with me without morals? Eh?
Like a back road,
My
vagrant.
family, Joanna, that come out perfect.
Nothing not
Why you
my
never
way.
breed? Why you never breed Lisa, Anna?
Keep on shutting and running your mouth and look at one fat shot in there.
I'm going to cut it off. Just cut it off. Anybody when I go my way, me I cut them off. Just cut them off. Joanna, want to your ear. It's obvious. Cut it. Joanna, where you cut your ear for? What a pity. You did look nice with it though.
Mommy, what you want?
You alright, Joanna?
What do you want?
I come for check by you, my daughter. I'm proud of how you stand up for yourself.
Don't pretend like you care now. It is your advice that land me in this situation. You come like Joe and everybody else at school. Don't see me as this criminal. Just don't pretend like you care. Just don't.
I think you're confused. You have to use judgment, my daughter. I know every time you use fear for control people. Sometimes you have to use your charm too.
But me have no choice.
Charm can't help me out of the situation here. We can't only rely upon fear.
And you, how you feel about me?
Joanna, you have your ways. But you're my daughter. I'ma love you.
Love. You even know what love is?
All you do is give me bad advice. This is all your fault. Come out of my room. Come out!
More head movement.
I am mama need psychiatric evaluation, me ask me probably.
Go on, enough. But the thing. So.
Ready. You need psychological evaluation.
You need psychiatric. And your mama needs psychiatric evaluation.
And open that camera. Right?
Come on, where you put them on my face.
Ready. Yeah, looking at.
Hey, girl Joanna, I must kill you in here.
You have to kill me first. I'm a big idiot boy.
You should have corrected. It could have worked. Wait. I don't want that.
Pause.
Freeze.
Something.
Freeze.
Wait.
Freeze.
Come on, Damien.
Oh, wait.
Disrespect.
No.
Yeah. So.
Can the wine up would have to be
No.
instead of
Are you not here? You look like your mama.
Boom. Continue.
Oh, you have jokes. Bad bull. Circle him.
Yes.
Lift up. Hold it, that boy, man. Lift up, the man.
All right, come. Flash here.
No.
Some people flash here.
Just.
Oh, but so if me not breed, I say in a beer, I'll be a big waste man.
No.
I said like it's like, wow, Jesus.
Wait, go back. Ready, go.
You never say no.
Where you put your hand from a dance tap back?
No. Me lick her already. And me can't lick her to get to me brother yo. No.
Cut.
Joanna, go to your.
Just bring her to Kimo. Take Kimo alone, God. Bring back Kimi, God. Joanna.
Slam door.
Slam the door. Slam the door.
Joanna, are you?
What man now? Me not kill nobody. Me never kill nobody. Stop telling that for me. Oh shit. How many bags like this? Man, leave me with that. Me not take nobody life. Me not take nobody life. What the hell me for say that?
Not telling the life, but I'm like that. I'm sorry, come in on the computer.
Ready.
No, you're like.
Anyone, anybody at all? Nothing. Start God, Jesus, what is? Start it over.
Yeah, alright, anybody.
Go.
Don't prepare. Come on, stay prepared.
Get me?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, stress me now. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Make it gradual. Make it.
Ready?
Come out of my room.
Especially for back up.
Yes. Like, you have a thing to want.
Take up back your phone now. And do your thing.
Reward.
Alright, yeah, there are many success and reward.
Alright, there are many success and reward. Alright, ready?
Go.
There are many reward and success.
Alright, same first and make it on you.
Because what was that?
Because good looks will catch you a good man.
Alright.
But mumble. Just 5. But Joanna nothing did look like she ready. Joanna. Hush. Alright, you have to tell me hush. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go.
I never mean a girl than a friend.
Joanna.
I never mean a Kimon and a friend. No, a what name? What's your name?
Joanna.
I never mean a Joanna and a friend. Who name so? Me know Joanna though.
Ready?
Talk to me, Kimmy. What is happening? What happened?
I just want to go home.
Kimmy, what happened? What happened? You take people when I get beat. What you just say? Joanna and our friend here. Come. What happened to you? What happened? You take when I get beat up.
That grab the fit in there.
She take when I get beat up. Hey. She take people man and get beat up.
Come that top of it.
Boss, come in, no laugh. Boss,
Sure.
I don't think you're
Ready?
I have something to tell you.
Don't worry
There's
about
something wrong.
it. Listen to me. Don't worry about it, Kimmy. Alright?
But tell Joanna.
Joanna,
Something.
what happened?
You two mix up, Shelly. That I have invested interest in you. And I'll be a man this may talk. All the lines them go. Me unbind. Give me, watch out. You have to tease him. I tease him. I take you one, take him from him, girl. Give me, you make him pause.
Boss and shot. Make him boss a shot. No, make him boss a shot. No,
You look like
can you say one be police? Let me see boss a shot. Yeah, but
Wait, what's that from? I lied again. I have proof.
hey, must be dead about that.
you may not know what the hell just happened now. Me being ready.
Everybody get your Lala, y'all look like Lala, y'all love Shagway. I mean, I understand why. Man,
Watch your face when that blush. Watch your face when that blush.
Lala, y'all
Action.
Me have to see real fight color like you and broke and you have chicken wing or something.
Action.
So babe. Stop.
Go on, me a buy you a try kind of rich.
Ready.
The one ball, break and feel, fine. Fine. Yeah, I always kind to people no matter what. And I used to say, and I need some.
Ready. But Kelly, I lamest kick them me ever see. Come now. Wait. So.
Big, humongous, nasty, corruption, sauce. That drop.
Go on again.
Me a wait for the beep.
Me they already beep part of this.
Slam, bam, why?
Jesus.
Probably have to eat money.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright. We're gonna play something. We're gonna call up bulls. And we're gonna range it.
3, 2, 1.
How can I come to that?
More head movement.
I am mama need psychiatric evaluation, me ask people believe.
Go.
Enough. But the thing. Oh.
Ready. You need psychological evaluation.
You need psychiatric. And your mama needs psychiatric evaluation.
And open that camera, right?
I don't know why you put them on my face.
Ready. You're looking at
Hey girl Joanna, I must kill you in here.
You have to kill me first. I'll make you that boy.
You should have corrected. It could have worked.
Wait. I know what
pause.
Freeze.
Something.
Freeze.
Wait.
Oh, Damien! Oh, wait. Run! Cause this.
Disrespect.
You know why?
No.
Yeah. So.
Can the wind up would have to be
No.
instead of.
Are you not here? You look like your mama.
Boom.
Yeah.
Continue.
Oh, you have jokes. Bad bull. Circle him.
Yes.
Lift up. Hold it, that boy, man. Lift up, the man.
Alright, come.
No.
Flash here.
No.
Some people flash here.
Just.
Oh, but so if me not breed, I say that beer, I'll be a big waste man.
No.
I said like it's like, wow, Jesus.
Wait, go back. Ready, go.
You never said that.
Where you put your hand from a dance top back?
No. Me lick her already. And me can't lick her to get to me, brother, yo. No.
Cut.
Joanna, go to you.
Just bring that to keyboard. Take keyboard alone, God. Bring back Kimmy, God.
Joanna.
Slam door.
First slam the door. Slam the door.
Joanna, are you?
Well, I know. Me not kill nobody. Me never kill nobody. Stop telling that for me. Oh shit. How many bugs like this? Man, leave me with that. Me take
No telling me like pop. Can't take them tough love. I'm like that. I'm sorry, because me no want the computer out.
Ready?
No, you're like...
Anyone, anybody at all? Nothing. Start God, Jesus, what is... Start it over.
Yeah, alright, anybody...
Go.
Don't prepare. Prepare.
Get me?
Okay.
Yeah.
Why you stress me now? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Make it gradual. Make it. Make it. Ready?
Come out of my room. Especially for my car,
Yes.
Like, you have a teacher one.